Create. Today we'll be showing you how to check your responses on your Google form. So like on the previous video, you go to your Google apps and scroll down to your forms. Then you scroll to, this is like one of the forms I created when, this was my first form I created when I learned how to build a Google form, and it took me less than 5 minutes to create this form. So when you go to your form, you go to the responses. So you have two responses here where I shared to my brother, my client. Then when you go to your responses, this is like the summary. This shows you everything like all the people. Like if you have 10 responses, all the 10 responses will be here, the names of the people, their emails, their everything is just going to be together, right? But if this is always like a bit confusing for me, and if that's the same for you, so you go to the questions and you check. This is one, right? 101. So this is like the first person. You can check their responses or the second person's response. Then if this is still difficult, let's go here. Then this is going to be selective response from each person. But if you still don't understand this, then you go to individual, where you can check for the responses individually, right? You have like one or two, it could be 10, it could be 50, so whichever way. So this is how to check your responses on your Google form, and I hope you learned and you're able to do this.